All right, good morning, Super Easy Forex family. This is Uncle P, and I apologize that I'm not making one of those very fancy looking videos and things like that because this is really simple, and I actually spent over an hour and a half trying to find a nice little video for you guys, but it was too complicated, and it's not even that hard to do. So here we go. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up mobile alerts from your mobile phone to your computer so that when the setup comes up, it'll send it from your computer to your mobile phone. So here we go. Real simple. What you want to do is you want to go to your laptop or desktop computer. You want to click on Tools. You want to click on Options. And it'll bring up this window right here that says Notifications. What you want to do is click on Notifications right here, and it'll bring up this little box right here that says Meta Quotes ID. Meta Quotes ID. Okay, you see that? Meta Quotes ID. All right, so the next thing you do is you just simply go to your mobile phone. And once you're on your mobile phone with the mobile app, you're just going to go to the icon here in the corner. You see you have all these icons here. You want to go to the one in the corner right here, and it'll pull up this particular screen. Once you're on this screen, the only thing you have to do is tap right here on the corner where it says MQID. And once it does that, you see that it'll actually pull up the actual MQID for you. Next, you go right back over here and you just type that number in, whatever it is. And for this one, I'm gonna pause this video and come right back. Okay, I'm back. I typed that number in, and then I'm going to click Test. And it said it sent a test to it, and as you can see, the test popped up. And then after that, I just go back here and I click OK. And then I click OK again. That's that. All done.